Guys, this is 2010 Holden Barina. That's a TK. So I'm going to replace for the lower arm bush. You can see the lower control arm bush is come in here. This bush, so that one need to go there. We need to off this whole lower control arm to install this bush. So we need to off this bolt. Is a 17 millimeter, and this one, and the lower control arm in here, that one also 17. Need to off that one, and we need to off the ball joint that getting 19 millimeter. Okay, it's coming top side nut. That's another 17 mm bolt. Okay, here's the lower arm. Okay, here's the lower control arm. So you can see the crack in here. Okay guys, here the new bush. It's going like in here. So I measure it's my vernier caliper is 60. It's all good to go. So we have to clean the inside of the lower control arm. So I'm applied a little bit grease. So after that, a new bush is going up here. Okay, bush is okay, guys. After that, we're going to install the low control arm. Okay, guys, I already tied the low control arm, the 17mm bolt, and this one, and the ball joint. So, okay, guys, this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching my videos. We'll see you in the next one.